Who do the Jets play? They play the Chargers. And what are they famous for in Los Angeles? They're famous for the Cobb salad. Guess what we're making today? We're making my Cobb salad. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we're doing a Cobb salad today. We got our cherry tomatoes, we got a cucumber, we got two types of lettuce. We got iceberg, we got romaine, we got our chicken thighs. We're gonna debone and take the skin off ourselves, save a little bit of money. And we got our bacon. We also have some eggs, but I just didn't pull them out. But I'll be right back when we get started on the chicken. Alright guys, so the seasoning for the chicken, I'm just not grilling it. I'm going to go ahead and marinate it with this yogurt marinade. We got cumin, we got smoked paprika, we got coriander seeds too, right? I crushed those up myself in a mortar and pestle. We also have some cayenne pepper. All the measurements will be down below. We got some cinnamon, we got juice of a lemon, salt, and we got our yogurt. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and work on the wet part of this marinade. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now guys, we could have probably did this the night before. It'd probably be way more flavorful. But we only got 30 minutes because I came home and decided we're going to make this Cobb salad real quick. So, and we go with our seasoning, right? You guys, I almost forgot the garlic. You got to go in with 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Yeah, what would this be without some garlic, right? You gotta always have garlic. So guys, now we're just gonna give this a good mix. Right, get this all incorporated. Take your time, make sure you get it right. Once it looks like this, you're done. And I can smell the flavor, guys. This is really good. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go in with our chicken, guys, and we're just gonna use our hands. You know, I don't feel like wasting gloves at this point. So real quick, get it all massaged inside the chicken, around the chicken, on the chicken. And then go ahead and give your hands a nice wash because you're going to need it after that. And this is going in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or so, right? Until we get everything else ready. At this point, I got my eggs in. I go start off with cold water and I go 15 minutes. All right, so we're going to move on to our bacon. Guys, I'm not going to spend too much time on frying up some bacon. You know, we're just going to put this on top of our salad. So cook up your bacon. And it takes about just as amount of time to fry up bacon as our eggs. So our eggs will be done by the time we're done with this bacon. And just put them on some paper towels and we're going to move on to the next step. All right, guys, so our eggs and bacon are done. So we're going to move on to our lettuce. Now the eggs are running under cold water. Kind of shock them and stop them from cooking. And we're gonna just take our lettuce, slice them bite-sized pieces, and then go right down the middle, right? And then in our salad spinner, we'll wash these off. We'll wash them off and then give it a spin. We'll do the same thing our iceberg lettuce. I'm just gonna slice it down and make it bite-sized pieces, and then go inside our salad spinner. That's it, easy schmeezy, right? Alright guys, so on to the cucumber. I usually slice my cucumbers like this. You know, I leave some of the skin on. You know, look, contrasted colors make your salad look nice and pretty, right? Dark green, light green. Let's go Jets. Alright, so slice up your cucumbers. And then what I'll do is I'll stack them and then I'll slice them in half. Kind of stretch them a little bit. Now our salad was washed off. We give this a quick spin, right? I like playing with this, you know, make me feel like a kid again. Give our cherry tomatoes a slice. Take your time. Don't cut yourself. All right. So now, guys, our marinated meat is ready to go. Now, guys, it's getting dark earlier, right? We're rolling into November. So it's dark outside. So you can use your cast iron pan. You know, it's an opportunity to use that. Or you can use a cast iron pot. But we're using our grill outside. Guys, and I'm not going to spend too much time outside on the grill. You know, we're just grilling chicken. And it's dark out, so it doesn't make for good video. But here we are halfway through the chicken, and I'm giving it a flip. And that's what we got. Yep, got it. And it's smelling good out here, too. All right, so we're back inside. Look at this. Chicken is good. It's, you know, that marinated yogurt. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead, slice this chicken up. Guys, we're on the home run stretch here. You know, guys, give us a like and a subscribe if you like what we're doing. We're trying to get to 1,000. Become part of the family. Now, guys, we go down with our lettuce. Now, guys, I got everything set up in individual bowls so everybody can kind of make their own salad. So down we go with our eggs. We got our cherry tomatoes. right? We got our cucumbers. And then our chicken. Guys, we did let our chicken cool so we can pick it up and touch it and eat it in a salad without wilting our lettuce. And guys, this is it. This is our salad. You can stop right here and you'll be perfectly fine, but we're not gonna do that. No, no, no. We're going down with some Parmesan cheese. Just shred some of that over the top. Guys, this is my Cobb salad. It's not a traditional Cobb salad, but it's my Cobb salad. Now we go down with some croutons. Some bacon. Guys, this salad is only getting better and better, right? So we got our bacon down. Now it's time for the flyover. Yep. There you go, guys. There's our Cobb salad. Our Cobb salad is done. This is good for lunch, great for dinner if you're trying to stay healthy. You can make your own salad dressing or buy your own favorite one. Doesn't matter. But you know what? Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking it every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.